Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be discussing about the histogram. So what is histogram? A histogram is a chart that displays the shape of a distribution. Okay. So I will give you an example. In a government exam, how many people have given the exam? Within the age range of 20 to 25 and from 25 to 30, how many people have given the exam? So we call it as bins. Okay, in Tableau we call it as bins. So 20 to 25 age is one bin and 25 to 30 is the second bin. Okay, so let's create a histogram. Just click on show me option. If you keep cursor on histogram, you can see to create a histogram we need only one measure. Okay, so just click on quantity order now. Okay, and click on histogram. See, just by one button click you can create a histogram, right? So histogram is similar to bar chart, but it groups the values into continuous ranges. Okay, so see here, this is the x-axis, it means the quantity order new, and this is the y-axis, it means the count of quantity ordered new. Okay, it means the count of the items which are repeated here. Okay, so see in the column it is the quantity order and in the row it is the count of quantity. Okay, and see in the x-axis what is the bin quantity? It is up to 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 20, 20 to 30, like this. Okay, so see, when we create this histogram, automatically this thing will be created. Okay, this is quantity order new bins. Okay, so if you want to see the bin is from 0 to 15, then also we can just click on this one, then click on edit, and see here you can see the particular size. Okay, the size is here 11.1, so I will make it as 15 and click on OK. Then see, it is from 0 to 15, second one is from 15 to 30, third one is from 30 to 45, and so on. So here you can see the quantities from 0 to 15 are mostly ordered, and people are ordering more than 50 to 60 or 70 to 80 or 80 to 90 are lesser in quantity. Okay, so I will show you one more method to create a histogram. First, just rename this sheet as histogram. Okay, then click one more worksheet. So just create a histogram, just drag and drop quantity into rows. Okay, then click this one, click the measure sum and click it as count. And then to create a bin, just click on quantity. Okay, then create, then bins. I'll just make it as 0 to 20. Okay, previously we have made 0 to 15, we will make it as 0 to 20. Click on OK. And see, this is the bin number 2. I'll just drag and drop this bin 2 to column. Okay, and I will make it as enter view. And just increase the size a little bit. So see, your histogram is done now. Just increase the size a little bit. Okay, so previously what we have done, in the x-axis it is shown like 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 like this. But here we can see like this level is called as 0 and this is 20, this is 40. So what is the difference between these two bins? This one is in green color and this one is in blue color, right? The bin which was created before by Tableau, it is in the green color, and the bin which I created just now, it is in the blue color, right? So what is the difference between this green and blue color? Blue color means the field is discrete. Okay, and the green color means the field is continuous. Okay, So to make it as green color or to make it as continuous, just click this one and click to convert to continuous. Okay. Then remove this one, blue color one, and just drag and drop green color one into columns. Okay. See, your histogram is done now. Just make the size as fixed. Okay. So in this video you learn like how to create a histogram. Okay. So just rename this sheet as histogram 001. If you want to change the color also, you can change and make it as red. Okay. So I hope you have understood this video. That's all for this video. Thank you. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz so that I will know how much you have understood.